Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create an ElevenLabs account. So actually guys, at first you will need just to open your browser and navigate to the ElevenLabs.io website, and on the top right corner of the homepage you will need to click on sign up. Okay, so right here guys, you will need to enter your details. So you will typically be asked for the email address, so you will need to use a valid one that you can access, and also a password. So you'll need to create a strong password that contain the alphabets, numbers and characters. Okay, and also you are allowed to sign up with Google, okay, with your Gmail. Also, let's say that you want to sign up by using the ElevenLabs app on your iPhone or your iOS phone. You may go with the Apple ID, and that's an option right there. All right, so once you enter the email and the password, just go ahead and click on sign up, and then go ahead and check the email and verified account just from there. Okay, so go ahead, I will verify it from my phone. So as I told you, after submitting your details, ElevenLabs will send a verification email to your email. Okay, so just open your email inbox and find the email and click the verification link. Then the link will lead you to the sign in page, and right here all you need to do is to enter the credentials, the email and the password, and then just click on sign in. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.